Good day everyone. So today we will be discussing about the Bank of the Philippine Island, or in short, BPI. So if you're wondering what really is BPI, to give you a brief history, BPI is the first bank in the Philippines and all of Southeast Asia. It was established in 1851, and as a universal bank, BPI provides a variety of financial products and services to both retail and business customers through its subsidiaries and affiliates. BPI was also recognized as the most technological advanced bank as well as one of the oldest bank of all Asian banks. In addition to that, BPI was incorporated on January 4, 1943 as domestic commercial bank and went public on October 4, 1971. The Philippine banking and finance industry was established with the formation of BPI, formerly known as El Banco Español Filipino de Isabel II. The bank served a variety of purposes during this time, effectively becoming the nation's first central bank by doing things like printing, issuing currency, and extending credit to the national treasury.
Moving on to the branches of BPI. The first is the BFSB, or the BPI Family Savings Bank. BPI announced that its merger with its wholly owned thrift bank unit, BPI Family Savings Bank, already took effect on January 1, 2022. BPI also said that the merger will enable to seize and optimize opportunities to enhance the overall banking experience of its customers. Second is the BPI Direct Banco, which is an online savings account wherein you can access it anytime and anywhere as long as you are connected to the internet. It is very convenient to everyone since you can register and make an account even if you don't have a BPI account. It is a microfinance arm of the BPI, and its goal is to promote financial inclusion by providing access to easy, convenient, and affordable microfinance products, focusing on self-employed micro entrepreneurs. The last one is the BPI mobile app, which is very convenient as well because you don't have to go to an actual bank for you to check your account. You can download this in your phone or any devices you have and register your account for you to be able to see your savings account. For the other information, last September, BPI and RBC confirmed their merger agreement and intend to complete the process before the end of the year 2023. The merger, with BPI as the surviving entity, will have RBC shareholders, Robinson Retail Holding Incorporation. Ayala Corporation and its affiliates owned an effective interest of 48.5% in BPI. Here are the requirements for one to be able to apply an account in BPI. The types of card offered by BPI are prepaid card, debit card, and credit card.
Moving on, here are the services that BPI offer. The following are peso deposits, leasing, foreign currency exchange, microfinance, deposit substitute, loans, asset management and trust, investment banking, insurance services, and ancillary services.
This slide shows the basic requirements to avail a card offered by BPI.
Now, we would talk about the loans and mortgages offered by the Bank of the Philippine Islands. The loans and mortgages of BPI are classified into commercial loan, consumer's loan, and agricultural loan. As you can see on your screen, under commercial loan, we have revolving credits, term loans, fleet and floor stock financing, project finance loan, receivable financing loan, and sustainable energy financing. On the other hand, under consumer's loan, we have personal loans, regular loans, seafarers loans, salary loans, auto loans, motorcycle loans, and property equity credit line. And under agricultural loan, we have the crop loan. At this point, we will tackle further the loans that are often acquired by the customers of BPI, which are the regular personal loan, the seafarers loan, the salary loan, the housing loan, and lastly, the auto loan. Presented on the screen is the regular personal loan. Key feature of this loan is that the customer could loan for up to 2 million pesos, wherein he or she could borrow as much as 3 times their gross monthly income, with amounts ranging from 20,000 pesos to 2 million pesos. Another feature of this loan is that it has flexible installment terms, wherein the borrower could pay in 12, 18, 24, 30, or 36 monthly installment. It is also a collateral-free loan, And with this loan, the customer could pay their installment conveniently through the automatic debit facility. Also, the application of the regular personal loan would only take 5 to 7 working days upon receipt of complete documents. BPI would also require a minimal one-time processing fee of 1,500 pesos, which would be deducted from the loan proceeds. And lastly, BPI acquires a monthly add-on rate of 1.2%. Next, we have the Seafarer's Loan and the Salary Loan. For the Seafarer's Loan, the key feature is it has a fast application process which requires only a minimal requirement. It also has an easy payment process wherein the auto-debit arrangement can be set up to the customer's BPI account for their monthly payment. And lastly, it is affordable wherein the seafarer's monthly installment could be 1 month shorter than their job contract. We also have salary loan, which is a corporate loan wherein the customer could borrow from the amount ranging from 10,000 to 1 million pesos. The customer could also enjoy a low monthly add-on rate offered exclusively to their employees. Now, we move on to the housing loan. Presented on the screen are the common purposes as to why the customers acquire this type of loan. First, we have for new home, for construction, and for renovation. Now, for the qualification of applying for the housing loan, the customer must at least be 21 years old and not more than 65 years old upon loan maturity and should have a minimum household income of 40,000 pesos. Now presented on your screens are the annual rate for housing loan under new home, construction, and renovation. Next, for property equity loan, we have here presented on the screens are the activity that can be financed using the customer's property as collateral. Beside that is the annual rate for property equity loan. The minimum loan amount of property equity loan is 400,000, while the maximum loan amount is up to 80% of the property value. Minimum term is 1 year and maximum is up to 5 years. Now we have the auto loan. Auto loan is separated into 3 different categories, which are the passenger car, the big bike, and the trucks. For the passenger car, the key feature is that it is affordable. Another feature is it has a low cash out, wherein the customer could choose from the newest payment feature, which are either step-up pay plan, multi-year protect program, and zero cash out. It is also convenient in a way that the customer's BPI account will automatically be enrolled via automatic debit arrangement to make the customer's monthly payment convenient. And lastly, it is reliable. For brand new car, the minimum loan amount is 200,000 and the maximum loan amount is up to 85% of the purchase price. And for the term of the loan, the minimum loan term is 1 year and the maximum loan term is up to 5 years. Now presented on the screen are the monthly add-on and effective rates for brand new car. Next, we have the big bikes wherein the key feature is just the same with the passenger car. For the qualification, however, the customer must be at least 21 years old and not more than 65 years old upon the maturity of the loan and should have a minimum household income of 40,000 pesos. For trucks, the key feature is also the same with the big bike and the passenger car. And lastly, we have on the screen the monthly add-on and effective rates for big bikes and for light or medium trucks.
Now, to the payment and settlement services of BPI, the first one is self-service banking channels, payment and settlement facilities, card-based products, corporate cash management, corresponding banking services, custody and special purpose trust, and traditional trust services.